In this video of the SEO course, today we will learn about the Google Panda update. Friends, these algorithms, like different algorithms, small, large, major algorithms, minor algorithms. So now as we are in the SEO course, we will tell you about each and every algorithm. I will explain all of them, because if your basics are very clear and you know how Google or other search engines work and how they help you in growing your business, what is the benefit of these algorithms, what should we do, what should we not do. So for you, getting results in SEO becomes easy and you will get the help for making strategies accordingly from all these things. And those whose basics are not clear in SEO, they can never succeed in the long term. They can't get rankings. Okay, the first page is what we are talking about. I am not talking about the 7th page or the 10th page because the real competition is there. Besides the big projects where there are thousands of pages, right? It becomes difficult to work on them because those who are doing SEO, most people have learned on page and off page, but they haven't properly grasped the basics, which you should know. So that's why right now we will talk about this particular topic, that is the Panda update. We will give you complete information. So friends, for example, like Google have this Panda update, this Google Panda update. It was introduced in 2011. This Panda update was brought by Google in 2011. Now, any update or algorithm that is introduced, every update or algorithm has a reason and a purpose behind it. Okay. Now, what was its purpose? The motive was to improve the quality of search results. Its motive or purpose was to improve the quality of search results. Its only purpose was to somehow improve the quality of search results. Okay, search results. If we enter a keyword in Google, then let's say someone entered keyword digital marketing agency. Okay, so there are many results that come up. So now I'm talking about before 2011. So there was those sites that don't have quality content, which means there is no good content, there is not too much content. Okay, or they're spamming and a lot of, they are doing unethical things and their rank is also coming. So they needed to be controlled, right? Because the problem was the guys who are working ethically, their rank is not coming. So the main purpose was to give them better rankings. So it generally means Google wanted to bring those websites up who were the quality websites that are ethically using the engine's algorithm and following all the parameters and also providing value to the users. And those who are not providing value and are practicing unethical methods had to be brought down. That was the main purpose of Panda. And its purpose is same even today. So friends, here the question is, how will search quality improve now? It will improve when it will start penalize low quality websites that doesn't meet Google's parameters and are not built accordingly, or it does not have content inside, means they have no content or it is not optimized. They will be penalized. Now, what does penalized mean? If some kind of unethical and illegal work is going on there, so it will be deleted and blacklisted. But if the quality is not good in the content in the website, so its ranking will be reduced by Google or it will fall far behind. Or thin content. What does thin content mean here? You must have seen people's websites, you must have seen the pages 5 or 6 lines of content and then pictures. Okay, so that's called very thin content. Okay, because people don't get much value from that content. Besides that, duplicate content. In this case, websites copy content from other websites, twist it a little bit and then put it on their website. Okay, so we need to put a check on all these things. And rewarding high quality. Websites with good quality content and those who are well optimized and follow the search engine's protocol as well. Rewarding them for their quality and give them good rankings is known as rewarding high quality. Along with that, those who write original content, valuable content, which is also called evergreen content, give them a good ranking. So friends, so what happens because of this? Because of this, ranking of websites reduced, of low quality content websites. Their ranking in Google search results went down, and vice versa, genuine websites ranking increased. And their visibility also decreased. Along with that, traffic also decreased on their websites. And because of this, many businesses were hampered. During the time when Panda launched on Google, and after that as well, okay. So now things have become a bit competitive because at that time there weren't so many businesses on Google. And today, think about how much competition there is. It's been 11 or 12 years. There is so much competition these days. Everyone wants their rank on Google. So if parameters are not hard and Google will not focus on better quality, then how the best website will come on top and how will people benefit from it? That's why it's important. Now let's move on and understand. Like see here, these are some factors that are considered in this Google Panda update in search engine. Okay. In this Panda update, these factors are considered according to the algorithm, right? So you need to learn what are the things it keeps in mind. Okay. While evaluating all these websites and their content, these are the factors. Now the biggest thing is the quality of the content on the websites. The most important parameter is the content quality. Now see this thin and duplicate content. Websites that have very little content or copied content means not according to the parameter. Next, user engagement metrics. Now user is coming to the website because it is ranking, but user is not stopping there because he's not getting anything. Okay, or you have a good website with quality content and users are coming there and he is spending 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, he is spending more time there. This is also called bounce rate when someone comes to the site and immediately leaves. Another thing is spending time on website. User engagement will also be seen. Along with that, the site's structure and user experience, as I told you, if it's properly optimized, if it's well structured, easy navigation, easy to use, good UI UX structure, then user will spend more time on the website. So those factors are also considered. And the authority and trustworthiness of websites. I mean, backlinks. If it's a new website, then how will you know that if it's a good site? So when backlinks are created within off-page activities, when backlinks are created, so it also matters that with which websites your backlinks is created. Whose own authority is not there? Okay. Or those websites whose DAPA authority is very good, you get backlinks from them, like you got genuine backlinks. So these are some parameters. These are major parameters that Panda looks at and on their basis increases or decreases website rankings. So I hope you understood the Panda update very well. Thank you.